Hello world, good morning. I know this episode may be a little bit windy, but I absolutely had to come out to the beach to share today's one idea with you, because today's one idea is about experiencing awe. It's inspired by an article I came across recently from a PhD who was doing research really into marketing, but I think this absolutely applies for entrepreneurs, whatever the stage of our business is. And this researcher, Dr. Rudd, was doing these experiments about experiences of awe and what that led to. So to give you an example, she was doing these experiments where one control group would be positioned in a not so inspiring place, like the base camp at the bottom of a mountain. And another group would be up on the top of the mountain, where they would be in this inspiring location that would provoke experiences of awe. And what came out through this research was the recognition that those who were experiencing awe did better in terms of both learning and creating. So in this experiment, both groups were given, for example, learning materials about the mountain and an experience of a hike. And those who were experiencing awe actually engaged more with the learning. And then similarly, they were given what's considered an experiential creation activity. So in this case, it was they could either choose pre-made hand mix or actually get involved in the experience of creating a trail mix on their own. And again, those who were in the not so inspiring place were just more interested in the pre-made solution, whereas those who were surrounded and filled with experiences of awe were more engaged by the experiential creation task. And so I want to bring this idea to all of you entrepreneurs and think about not only perhaps what this can do for your marketing, for your customers, for your users, but also just for you in your own experience of building a business, in what you need to do to be more creative and more learning oriented. Where can you go that inspires you with experiences of awe? For me, it's the beach, so I wanted to share this expansive vista with you. Maybe it's a mountain, maybe it's even something as simple as reading biographies of people who inspire you. What can you do to bring more awe to your life and thus more learning and creativity? So let me know what you think about this idea. I will see you all soon. Bye for now. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.